Alright, and now utilizing or re-emphasizing what our unit circle is used for is really to find what your cosine values and sine values are. Remember that cosine was adjacent over hypotenuse. And so that's when you're dealing with a triangle in this, is your x value over your r value. And so since our r value is 1, it's really just x. Sine, opposite over hypotenuse, the y over the r, or just the y value in your unit circle. And the tangent is the sine over the cosine, the y over the x. And so the cotangent in the same way as the x over the y. The cosecant is just the reciprocal of the sine, and the secant is the reciprocal of the cosine. Again, reciprocal of the cosine, reciprocal of the sine. Tangent is the sine over the cosine, if you want to think of it as that. We talked about that. Cotangent is the cosine over the sine, or 1 over the tangent. And there you have it. So, when you're looking for the cosine value and you have your unit circle, draw your picture, where's your angle, locate the x value. If you're looking for your sine, find the y. Find that coordinate, notice if you have your long or your short side, and go for it. Tangent, take the ratio and divide. You might need to rationalize if you go on there. And I say 1 over x, but keep in mind it's just the reciprocal, and so if your x value is 1/2, the reciprocal of 1/2 is just 2. 2 over 1. Or if it's root 3 over 2, flip it over, it's 2 over root 3. No need to do 1 divided by whatever that is. And that is how we use our unit circle. And again, don't use it as a crutch. This is really to notice where all of the patterns were and how to use those patterns to our advantage when they're closer to the y-axis, closer to the x-axis, and figuring out what quadrant we're in. Best of luck to you guys.